Hello, America. This is Mark Hale with Wilson Print Marketing's Marketing Tip of the Day. I want to remind you, if you like these videos, please click subscribe below and the little alert bell will come on and go bing, 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 another marketing tip from Mark. So today's topic is on why you should not design your own brochure. So you could design your own brochure. There are many design programs that are out there that allow the do-it-yourselfers to design a brochure. Now, why you shouldn't do that is, one, you don't have the know-how of graphic design. Did you go to school or college? Do you have experience doing graphic design? And two, the more important thing is, you got more important things to do than waste your time designing a brochure and you get halfway through it and it doesn't do it, doesn't, whatever. But what you do need to do is you need to hire a professional graphic artist or hire, my company or somebody like my company to help you with the graphic design, because we have the tools, the time, and the know-how to actually make your brochure look great, but also more importantly, so that it communicates and you actually get some sort of result from your brochure. And that's what you want when you want a brochure. Now, brochure at its basis is a communication. It's a communication from you via paper and printed medium to the end reader. When you're designing or you're giving the graphic designer the information to design the brochure, one, you think about and write down on a piece of paper, what do you want to communicate? What do you want to get across? What point or points do you want to get across to the person that's going to read this brochure, your customer, patient, client, whatever? What do you want to get across? Okay. Then you come back and you're looking at the service that you're going to promote and you write down the service. Let's say you're a heating and air company and you want to promote maintenance, a maintenance contract. That's the service you want to promote. What are the benefits of that service? And you write down, well, makes your unit last longer, saves you money on your electric bill, whatever the benefits are of doing that service and the product. And then from there, you've got the copy, the information that you can give to the graphic designer to design the brochure. The second part of the element would be if you have before and after photos that you want to show. Let's say you're a roofing company or a weight loss company, and you want to show some before and after photos. Those are always good to sell the benefit of your service, because pictures, somebody said a picture is worth 1,000 words. So photos in your brochure, get any photos that you want to use, send that in a kit to your graphic artist. The third and final thing that you want to do in your brochure is, you've got what you wanted to communicate. Now, what is the end result that you want from that brochure? Is it just an educational, informative piece? Or do you want them to take some sort of action? Okay, how do you want them to respond? And more importantly, why do you want them to respond? Why should they respond to the message? So that relates to a special or some kind of loss leader, some kind of buy now offer, some sort of reason to act now. Now, a lot of times people don't put call to actions in brochures because they may not go through the brochures or use them, and it'll be sitting there and the special will be expired and all that. You can print in smaller quantities, but the other thing is, once you have your brochure, if it's professionally designed, they won't go to waste. You'll go through them and use them because they look great and they're actually getting a product, which a product means you get a new customer. Somebody is buying the service, your service or a product from you, from the communication that you got across, the brochure communicated to the end user. That's what you want to think about when you're designing a brochure or not designing a brochure. You're putting together the information to give to somebody to help you design the brochure. So I hope this helped you. And if you like this content, obviously subscribe below, but share the video with a friend, tell a buddy about the channel, and I hope you have a great day.